Roger that. I got a feeling they're not going to come on this side. They're just going to run it in the open big field.
Man, he's going to be standing. Oh, God. Oh. It's slippery on the other side.
Roger that. Ow.
Okay.
My ears aren't.
Authority is not recognizing Fort Kick-Ass.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's why I did that.
Hazmat suit. Oh.
So much stank. I didn't realize there's water in it. I'm so sorry. Oh, well, there's...
Oh, yeah. There's our boys.
Hey, let's take the chopper over.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh shit, we've been hit. Bail out.
You find the gas can was sitting in here. Shoot. We're not allowed to push too far. We can only, I think, go to the kitchen.
Yeah, we're only allowed to push this far.
Yeah. Oh, hi guys. Fuck. I'm just walking in front of y'all. Turn around, everybody's like, come on, I want to shoot somebody.
It's behind that first bunker now.
Oh yeah, way down there. Oh, there's a cowboy coming. How'd he get hit?
Watch the woods, guys.
Still in your way. Fuck.
Okay.
Sorry, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all good. This is how I'm gonna roll. Just like this.
Medic! Go! Come medic! No, shit!
Oh. Huh. Oh, there's one behind that tree. Oh, never mind.
Go.
Wasn't me.
We could just carpet bomb the whole field like 3 times.
Oh, is that a mortar? There, they're firing mortars. I think.
Oh no.
Clear the field!
Don't clear the field. Don't clear the field. Don't. Good job, boys.
We're having a good fight.
Tried. Kind of overwhelmed us.
So yeah, that ends the 18-hour experience. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. What the hell? Here's some extras. Alright. So this is Nightfall Milsim.
Okay, gentlemen and ladies, thank you all for joining TAN. This year, excuse me. All right.
Good job. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Nice job, guys.
Fucking ripped it.
10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes.
I'm not picking up.
That's crazy.
I carried the fucker.
Yeah, come on, guys. All right,
These guys can get on the missile.
Oh, fuck
Oh no,
It's
they're
gonna be.
they both broke her.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Guys, pick up the litter.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Bravo Company does not litter.
Valiant effort.
Look at this.
Oh.
Soup. Come
Ouch.
here.
That hurts.
Yep.
You guys just come
Let
and
me see,
respawn
Gunner.
or get...
Let me see it. Oh, that's a little welt. Is that a thermal?
I got probably enough.
This? Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
And, here, I'll take yours.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, wow. Oh my god. I think I just jizzed myself. Holy
it's pretty
crap.
Yeah.
Thank you. I just want to
Yeah,
film us so we can show that we're not the same person.
Yeah, but we are actually in fact two different people. Like
Yes.
I'll vouch
the
for
universe
that.
is not collapsing because we're not like we're touching and merging into one entity. So
And our, and our names are almost close too, bro.
I'm
Yep.
starting to shake.
we
man.
are actually two people.
This ground is shaking.
That's awesome.
Man, fuck. You guys all ready?